In this video, we're going to show you how to add a live chat widget to your Shopify store. Live chat is one of the most effective ways to provide instant customer support, answer pre-purchase questions, and increase customer confidence while they shop. Instead of waiting for email responses, visitors can contact you directly from your storefront and receive assistance in real time. Many Shopify merchants also use live chat to recommend products, resolve customer concerns, and recover sales that might otherwise be abandoned. The good news is that Shopify makes it easy to add a live chat widget using apps available in the Shopify App Store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install a live chat app, configure the chat widget, and test it before making it available to your customers. So let's get started. The first method is to install a live chat app. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left navigation menu, click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for a live chat solution that fits your business needs. Review the app's features, pricing, ratings, and permissions before clicking Install. Once the app is installed, complete the setup process. Most live chat apps will guide you through connecting your store and configuring the chat widget. Choose your business name, support hours, welcome message, and notification preferences. Next, customize the appearance of the chat widget. Adjust the colors, position, icon, and greeting message so the widget matches your store's branding. Many apps also allow you to display the widget only on selected pages or during specific business hours. If the app supports automated responses, you can create quick replies for frequently asked questions. For example, you can automatically respond to questions about shipping, returns, business hours, or order tracking. Once your setup is complete, save your changes and publish the widget. Then visit your storefront from both a desktop and a mobile device to confirm that the chat icon appears correctly. Send a test message to verify that notifications are working and that you can respond successfully. Another helpful tip is to respond quickly whenever possible. Fast response times help build customer trust and can improve the overall shopping experience. It's also a good idea to review chat conversations regularly to identify common customer questions and improve your store's information over time. In most situations, these steps are all you need to add a professional live chat experience to your Shopify store. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install a live chat app from the Shopify App Store. Second, configure and customize the chat widget to match your store. And third, test the chat functionality before making it available to customers. Remember that live chat is more than just a support tool. It can also improve customer satisfaction, increase engagement, and help convert more visitors into paying customers by providing assistance exactly when they need it. And that's how to add a live chat widget to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.